Okay, this video is on how to put the Ford emblem on. Okay, we got a new grill, a whole new front end. It's in another video. But what I'm show you is how you put it on. Okay, the Ford emblem right here. Okay, now this emblem doesn't have the little tabs on the back. Okay, so whether it has the tabs or not, I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, and it's going to fit right here. That's why I got it. Okay. All right. The first thing you need to do. Okay, you need to pull this piece off. This little piece here. Now I've already pulled it off, and there's some little tabs, and you take the tool. Where's my tool? Where's my tool? Let me go get the tool. I got it right here. I call it a crow's foot. I'm in the middle of changing the door regulator. That's another video. Let's see. Yeah, so I used that when I was changing the regulator. Use this little tool a lot. Anyway, back where we were. Like I said, we need to pull one or two. Okay, I call it a crow's foot. Now on the original one, see these little pieces, these little tabs, these little things go in there like that. Okay, and then you just pop it up. Now, if you have the original ones that came with the Ford, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. Okay. And what you're going to do is, you're going to reach under here like this. You're going to back it off with your Phillips screwdriver. Back it off. Okay. And then you're going to pop it out. Okay. It could come out in two pieces. That's fine. Okay. So that's the two pieces. Okay. There's 6, I think. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6. Okay, so you just pop all those out. All right, I like to put them in a bag. I'm fixing to put the headlights in his thing. It's another video. I got brand new headlights. Okay, I'll get these out of the way so I can show you how. This is how I do it. I've done it before. Okay, let's move our Ford emblem over to the side. And our little tool. Okay. Alright, this piece, once you take your 6 little pieces out, it'll come right off. Okay, you just pull this off. Should come right off there. Okay, we just put it back there out the way. All right, now that gives us access to the back of the grill. Okay, you see, I'll stick my hand back here. See my hand? See if you can see my hand. Okay, but see my finger right there? That's in the grill. All right, now what we're gonna do? Okay, if you got the tabs, then the tabs should snap right in. Okay. Now, as here we don't have tabs. Okay. But see, this is adhered. See this back piece? You pull this red piece off, and you can stick it. You can stick it right on there. It'll stick right on there. Okay. So what we're going to do is put this in. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're going to stick it on. We're going to put it on just like this. What you say? No, I'm joking. Okay. But all you got to do is pull, where we at? That's the camera. We're going to pull this little piece off right here. Now I'm going to show you how we can adhere it better than just this glue. Okay? Then you just pull it off. Alright? I was joking about upside down. Watch me put it on there upside down. Then you just line it up. Okay? Make sure you get it in the right place. Make sure it's getting there good. And once it's in there, just keep pushing it. Okay, now there's a plastic coating covering this. I'm going to pull off. See, there's a plastic coating. Okay, I like to just keep pushing it. Make sure it's on there good. Make sure it's on there. Now I could have cleaned this first. I could have taken some alcohol, some rubbing alcohol, and cleaned it. In fact, that's what I should have done. And I meant to do it, but I didn't do it. That's good. But put your alcohol on it. Now, we want to make sure that it stays on. Okay, because it's only on there with glue. Okay. So what we're going to do is, you saw I stuck my fingers behind there, and you saw me. You can see my fingers. Well, I can reach the back of it. Okay, I'm just going to take some caulking. Okay. Now, I would not recommend using JB Weld. Okay. And the reason is, if you ever got to pull this off, with this silicone, you can pop it off. Okay, it won't be easy, but you can get it off. If you JB Weld it, you're not going to be able to take it off without pulling the whole grill. Okay. Alright, and then all I do is reach back behind the grill. I get my hand back there. Okay, I'm going to put some caulking on my hand. Just put a little bit. Okay, and I'm going to find those holes back there. Okay, I'm going to find those holes, and I'm going to fill the holes with caulk. Okay, of course you can't see what I'm doing. But it's that simple. And I'm just going to continue filling the little holes with caulk. Now the caulk is going against. It's going against the part that you saw that had the glue on it. And this will help it. It'll help it glue. It'll give it an anchor because it's going through the. It can make like a mushroom, I guess you'd call it. In other words, you got the hole in the grill, and the hole in this part of the grill. It's going to go through there. It's going to adhere to the back of your Ford emblem, and it's going to come out to the other side. It's going to be like a mushroom, so it's going to be very hard for your emblem to fall off. Now your emblem might not fall off without doing this. That's very possible. But if you're like me, you want to better be safe than sorry. Then you ain't got to worry about it. I'd let it dry overnight, at least, before driving. Okay? I'd at least go overnight. There are three little slots on each side, either side. I'm filling those up. Okay, and it goes right in there. So you more or less get the idea. Once you get it all, don't be afraid to put a lot of caulk. Once you get it all in there, like I said, let's let her stay overnight. And put a lot of caulk. It ain't gonna hurt. Okay. So that's pretty much it. You get the idea. I got some other videos on how I change this grill. Let me wipe my hands up here. Also have videos on working on this Eddie Bauer edition. Okay, so well that's it. That's how you that's how I do it. And then I've got a little caulk right there. Look. Yeah, sure did. Look. Be careful not to get on any of where you can see it from this side of the grill. Okay, and it's, I'll tell you what, you don't have to worry about the grill that's coming off of this. Now, if you have the tabs will just snap in. Okay, same thing to remove the old one. You pull this piece, you pull that piece I showed you on the top, the piece that goes across the top, snap that off, and you can get to the back of the emblem to push it out, to push the tabs back out. Okay, hope this helps someone. That's how I do it. How we put a grill emblem on the grill. Okay, what we're gonna do is pull the plastic off. Well, it's really looking good now. Okay. If you're interested in painting, I got a video on painting for beginners. It's actually a 10 video series. I painted this front end. This is 2 different colors. I did it all myself. It's not hard. It's not that hard to do. If you follow my step by step. I think it came out pretty good. Painted it, like I said, the brown, and I painted this. I'll put the links below if you're interested in that. Okay. Also, this car was in a collision. This whole front end was smashed in, and I changed. We changed everything, including the bumper. Got in there with a cutting torch and a welding machine. We changed everything. I have the lights. I just haven't put them in yet. The paint is just drying. Let's see, here's one of those. Got a lot of mess around there. Brand new lights, fixing to put them in. So anyway, if you're interested in any of that stuff, painting, and how we did it, and you save yourself a lot of money. I saved myself well, $5,000, I'm sure. Okay. And I'll tell you what, the emblem really looks good. Okay. That's how you change the Ford emblem. This is a 2006 Ford. Shouldn't make any difference. You should be able to get to your whether you got a truck or an SUV. This is of course an SUV, you know. If you got a truck, it should be the same. Just remove this piece. Okay. Be links below for painting, and if you're interested, click on them.